At last! Woo!
Meet the Mitchell family.
Happy birthday, I'm a friend. One more year and then one will arrive. Give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it again.
Hey,
Happy birthday, I'm a friend.
happy birthday, Fandin.
Can she start?
Happy birthday, our friend. Another birthday.
Excited. So Tami, you ready for the road?
I'm ready. I'm so ready to go, but I need to go and pack because I haven't done that. Window treatments are being installed today, so I gotta do a lot before we go, but it will all be worth it. All right, let's go. Everybody got off okay today?
Yeah.
Great.
Hi, my booba. Hi. You have something for me?
Yeah.
That's my card.
Yeah.
Can I get it? Yeah. What do you say to Daddy?
Happy Star.
Happy Father's Day. Can you say that?
Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy Father's Day.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Yeah.
It's my birthday.
Ready for the road now? Road trip. Who's ready for the road trip?
Yay!
Yay! Ready, ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
All right. Trelawny, here we come.
Love you, darling.
Mommy's going to be house sitting for us.
Calm down.
All right, guys. Anybody ready for the road?
Yeah.
Ready.
Anybody ready?
Ready.
Doesn't sound boring.
Trelawny.
Here we come, Trelawny. Trelawny, here we come.
Okay, guys. So we are on our way, and we are going to this awesome place called
Good Hope.
Good Hope. And we're so excited. I've never been. I've only heard about Good Hope and how amazing it is. It's a home to a lot of retreats. Like I always hear about retreats happening there, and it's because it's like on 2,000 acres.
2,000 acres?
Yes, that's what I read.
You know how much is 2,000 acres, Tami? Mine is 200.
No, it is 2,000.
Wow.
2,000 acres.
Yes. And
That's more than.
Good thing we bring the
Yo!
drone because there's
Yeah.
no way with that can
There's
scope out the whole of that
I
land
think
there.
you're gonna have so much fun with the drone. River, beach, zip lining, hiking, all of them.
It's
something
like
there.
right, Choco is I think runs
I don't
through the property. Yeah, Choco tours.
Through the property.
Yeah, hello.
I can't manage. Anyway,
ATVs, all these things.
no,
There's ATVs.
no, nothing like that. What Daddy said was there are 8 TVs. So we have a lovely, just 2 days set up for us, and I can't wait to take you guys along with us. Like I said, we're definitely doing a little hiking. We're doing some yoga. We're doing. I'm getting a massage, y'all. They're doing a beach barbecue for us on Father's Day and Ivy's birthday. Tonight when we get there, we're gonna have dinner. I hear the food is off the chain, so I'm very excited about the food. And it's just gonna be a lovely birthday / Father's Day weekend.
How does it feel? It's your birthday. Go, shawty.
Gosh, I
It's your
haven't had a
birthday.
chance to really soak into it yet. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
No, you need to soak in by now. If you're
I
not soaking
know.
yet, when you plan to soak in?
I just have been.
It's
on the
alright. You
go.
know what? When we reach, I'm gonna mix you a drink,
Yeah.
and I just want you to drop all your bags, unwind, and just feel the vibes of the place, and just
Yeah,
soak
that's-
into your birthday.
Yeah, I think that
Alright.
I would like that very much. So can't wait. We're gonna face this traffic, and of course I'll probably cut to a video of us actually driving down now, because I know you guys love those edits too. So like my glasses.
You get a passes.
Yeah, they're from this place called Fontana.
So like a bus in
Fontana.
Fontana. All right.
boutique glasses.
Bye.
like a wave through a rocky riverbed. Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong, with no sense of consequence, the strength to carry on. The day breaks in the darkest places right before the dawn. So if you ever lie awake with situations in your mind, and you try to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by, you're losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love is a reason to hold on, blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues can take away my stride. When love's standing holding hands right here by my side. So if you wanna take a ride and see what happens down the road, find yourself a pair of gloves and get yourself a warm-up coat. Oh yes, we'll be doing fine. Just losing track of time. Just losing track of time.
Roast pumpkin is
Oi, oi, oi.
salad. The salad dressing is a honey mustard salad dressing.
Very
And we have a
nice.
coconut bacon right here. Then we have a
Lovely.
cashew nuts, raisin, and parmesan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tami. Happy birthday to you.
What is that?
Great. It's tofu cheese. I don't know.
Yeah, we're in country. Hi, Florence.
It's time for us to go for our hike, boys.
Yes,
So come on, let's go. Ozzy's already downstairs. So I would grab a banana, get changed, put on sneakers. Let's go!
Skibby.
Uh-oh. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my goodness, guys, we made it. And yesterday we literally came in, got settled.
Do you know where my sneakers are?
No, I don't know yet. And then we ended up in the water. We had dinner and really went to bed. It was so beautiful coming here yesterday and having the evening. I know it's super early in the morning and we are going for a little hike down to the river. So yeah, that's what we're doing now.
Alright, we're up. It takes forever to get everybody ready because it's a whole heap of kids and stuff. But we're up and we're gonna do a little nature walk right now. You not come?
No, we need you on.
Alright.
Hold the food for us.
Leave on the TV for you?
No, going outside.
Alright. I can turn it off.
Hey, cricket.
Booby. Booby. Booby.
Oh, you're not going.
You guys stay with Momo?
Guys! Wait!
We missed the mist. Oh wow, this is gorgeous.
Mom, there's a swing.
Yeah. Mercy me. It's always so amazing to me that there are places I just hear. I've never been here. And now look at this. Incredible.
Over there so is the cockpit country. Maroon land in the distance. Beautiful. I'm gonna send up my drone for sure. Come on again. A real country farm experience.
I don't want to. But we just walked over. Let me show you.
Hold on, Ozzy. Ozzy, back up to me.
Put it under my film.
I'm trying to give it to you. No. Oh, it fell. Oh gosh.
It's okay. Watch out for the barbed wire.
Morning.
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago, you could see the rocks.
Wait, that one home is huh? Mom.
This is the Martha Bray River. We came, we saw, we're gone again.
Would you like this product? Oh yeah, that's a horse. Maybe oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, but that's come on, this way. Oh, you almost got it.
All right, so we are walking back up to the Yeah, to the house because man, the mosquito them did out for breakfast this morning, and we were the buffet, the moving buffet. So heading back up now to actually eat breakfast and to spray up because yeah, that wasn't fun with the mosquitoes. I won't lie. But we made it, right?
Yep, we made it. Car.
Wow. Hi, Mommy Shugs. You ready? You ready for a pool day? You ready for a pool day? Mommy waiting on you. Go to Mommy. Whoa, come daughter, nice. I know me have to take a little time and watch some Euros. Wanna know me already. Me have to watch my little sports and thing. Soon go outside in the pool.
My God. If Wayne ever see this, it's over. No, sir, I forgot to get him and show him this.
Who set up this now? A murder. And look how Momo says she did look too mango for eat.
She took hers already.
Momo, let me count how much you have.
Thank you. What you looking for, Mama? You hungry? Okay, here's some breakfast.
Don't expose me. Me don't want nobody to see us how me crave me. Don't worry with it.
It done gone bad, Maureen. It done gone bad.
You send it off?
Yes.
No.
Gone in the family chat. Baby? Yes, Ozzy?
Yes, breakfast is ready. So guys, this is callaloo, this to that.
Oh my gosh, there's everything everywhere.
Big chef is the whole team. Sort out the thing.
Guys, you wish you were here because
It's bussing.
it's a bussin'.
You wish you were here.
Is this pepper jelly?
Maybe just a jam. Fruits come out and all these things. Hey, leave that. Callaloo and beer things. Steaming. Yeah. Cool, man.
Fritters are divine.
Really?
They're the best things on planet.
Are they crunchy or are they chewy? Wow. The best. I can't wait.
It's just amazing.
I hear Miss Barbara is the best. So good. I can't wait.
Alright, so we stepped out of Good Hope for a second to come down to Choco, which is literally 1 minute away. And we're gonna do some zip lining. Atlas, you ready for it? You gonna do it? Come on, don't chicken out on me, bro.
Alright.
You're not chicken out.
Is there anyone here
You ready
for
for
this
it?
person wants to go back?
You ready for it? Lindsay, ready? Alright. My first time zip lining. But don't worry, I have a GoPro. You have a GoPro, bro? Don't go slow. You wanna be a pro about it?
We need to be showing power and stuff in a lot.
My guy's taking deep breath. Yeah, so one of the attractions of Good Hope is that Chukka Tours is right down the road, so you can do zip lining and tubing and all kind of things going on. You know Chukka, action-packed thing, adventure. Why this more serious than the check set should I be? Yeah, I know. Yeah, stop all already. Hey! Come on. Hey! Father God, guide and protect you. Why my friend? Ready again. Watch Atlas.
I've been ziplining at Chukka before, but not this Chukka.
Watch Atlas.
I've been ziplining before, ever.
Jenna have it lucky now.
Very. I feel like it's gonna be fun now as I think about it.
It's gonna be mad fun.
Is it too high?
Not too high.
It's gonna be mad fun, bro. Everybody ready? Ready? What's life without a little bit of adventure? Eh?
Guys, you can't go back now, okay? It's gonna be fun.
It's too late. It's too late now. No, it's not.
We're going on a bus. We're going on a field trip.
Shane, and we also got Omar. They'll be accompanying us as well. Now, here I tell you what's on the tour, what not to do. Here I give a little safety talk, come a demonstration. So naturally, in any activity such as this, safety is very important.
Sit. Ready?
Yes,
Ready.
man. Fire.
Legs
Roll.
up.
Yes, I.
I'm going with you.
Yeah.
I'll make it.
I think you can make it, man.
I'll make it.
The full line, sit down for the two line. Pull them down. Top line, sit down.
Yeah, that
I'll make it.
Get him.
At last. Woo!
I want to go again. That was so fun.
Yes!
We got a couple more. Hands up.
At
We got
last!
a couple more.
We have a couple more at last.
Hey.
That was the warm up at last.
That was so.
That was just the warm up. Get it right.
That was easy, bro.
That was just the warm up, my G.
That was just a warm up.
Yeah, we have more.
Here's Jax. Go, Jax!
Woo! Yeah, Jackson!
You know you could
There's
do it.
more coming, Jackson.
Jax, that was just the warm up, my G.
What do you mean that was just a warm up?
Over there.
That was so cool. I can't wait. I was going so fast through the air.
I know, that
I'm
was
going
vibes,
first,
right?
Dad.
I never realized it goes so fast, you know?
No.
I went slow because I'm light.
It's
Dad, you
vibes,
need
right?
to take us back here more.
No. Everything takes money, dude.
You understand? That them not do it. Them not do that part there.